Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru. Today we're talking about the FEMA rule book and how it's impossible to understand. So we're going to go through 26 different videos and we're going to talk about each rule when it comes to the cancellation process with the National Flood Insurance Program or your FEMA policy. This is something we probably get here more than anything at the Flood Insurance Guru. So we want to make sure that you understand all these rules when it comes to cancellation. When can you cancel? When can you can't? Are you getting a prorated refund? Are you getting a complete refund? So we're going to talk about all those things in this series. Thank you. Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru, and today we're talking about rule number 1 when it comes to the cancellation code with your National Flood Insurance Program policy. What are reasons for the cancellation code on number 1? What documentation do you have to have? Are you getting a prorated refund? Are you getting a full refund? Those are all things we're going to talk about today. So let's talk about the first part. Your building is sold. What might you have to prove from a documentation standpoint in this situation? Well, a loss settlement, proof that you sold the house are two things that you can submit with your cancellation letter. Are you getting a prorated? You're going to get a refund, a full refund when the building's sold. You're going to get a prorated based on that cancellation date. So let's talk about the next one. What if a property is removed? Well, the documentation you'll need is proof from a courthouse or somebody that the property has been removed and moved to another location. In this situation, you're also going to get a prorated refund, and it's going to be based on date of removal on that documentation. So what if a building's destroyed? Well, if a building's destroyed, you can get proof of a copy of a total loss. And just like the other two situations, this is going to be a prorated based on when the property was a total loss. Now, what if you physically alter the property? A good example of this is a mobile home. National Flood Insurance Program requires a mobile home be on a permanent foundation. So whenever you remove it from that permanent foundation, you have to have some kind of documentation showing when it was removed, that it was no longer eligible for this program, so that you can get that prorated refund back. So this is how Code 1 or Reason 1 for the National Flood Insurance Program works when it comes to cancellation. So if you've got questions about this cancellation or the other 25 types of cancellations, as it can be very confusing, then please reach out to us. FloodInsuranceGuru.com. Go to our YouTube channel and our Facebook page, The Flood Insurance Guru, where we do these daily flood education videos. You can also give us a call, 205-451-4294. Remember, we have an educational background on flood mitigation, which means we can help you understand flood risks like this one right here. Your flood insurance and mitigating your property long term to help you minimize flood losses and flood premiums. Thank you.